Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to convert text to images using Google Flow. Okay, so Google Flow is very new, and it's where the next wave of storytelling happens with Veo 3.1 at this moment. So you can access it by coming to labs.google.com/flow, and it will bring you over to this very platform. You can start creating with Flow directly, or you can just flip through to have an insight into what it does. Flow is an AI filmmaking tool built with and for creatives. Okay, so seamlessly create cinematic clips, scenes, and stories using Google's most capable generative AI models. So you can see some of the scenes from the videos that are created. Very crispy and very cinematic, well detailed and very professional content. So you could do two things: text to image, and you can do text to video as well. Okay, so these are some of the things you can do, and down here you can be able to see some of the examples of the videos generated from different kind of prompts that people are working on. So you can go ahead and just start. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on just text to image, right? So you have to log in, of course, with your account, and once you log in, we can just go ahead and create a new project. You can name it if you want. All right, so down here we are doing text to video. All right, so you come down here straight and then paste in your prompt, and you can add any reference thing that you may be interested in. For example, you can upload things directly, or you can go ahead and specify from the available different templates that of what you want to create. Okay, this can give the AI an ideation into what you are trying to create. Okay, so you can upload in these formats, but for this I just want to keep it the default, and then I want to use the Nano Banana BI number of images. I want to keep it at 2, and then we can have these basic settings. The aspect ratio, output, prompt, you can select up to 4, but let's say we go with just 1, right? And then the model, I'm going to use Nano Banana Pro or Imagine 4. So let's say we're going to go with the default, and I'm going to go on and select this and hit on enter. Let's see what this is going to generate for us. Now I just ask it to give me the image of a majestic lion standing calmly in African bush during golden hour, tall grass surrounding it, warm sunlight and natural colors, realistic style. You can see the golden hour, warm, standing firmly, and you can see the clarity and professionalism of the image generator. And you can go ahead and download this very free of charge. You can come over here and you can delete or do other things as well, and then you can reuse this prompt for other functions. Okay, so this is the first option. Let's say we have another one that I want to try. So let's say I want to generate the image of a confident lion walking through a busy modern city street, cars and tall buildings around, people in the background, cinematic lighting, realistic style, dramatic and creative mode. So let's see, we send this and let's see what this is going to give us. And you can see the wonders of what it has created for us. Very detailed and very cinematic. Okay, take a look at it. The quality is what is actually killing to this. Okay, quality and the exact description of the prompt is what it got exactly. So you have the option to kind of add text, some shapes, and even do some basic drawings and so on. And you can even highlight some sections of the image and make some changes as well. So you can download directly if you're interested. So this kind of basically concludes this simple tutorial about how to convert text to images using Google Flow completely free of charge. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.